Got it? Okay. Can you see me in the video?
No.
No? That's great. Alright. Because I look like crap right now. Alright, so we want to...
Wait, should we cut that part out?
What part? Yeah, I will. Maybe. But, alright, so we want to multiply the two of these terms together using the tabular method. So the tabular method for these types of problems is actually pretty easy to do. It actually works out a little bit better than the FOIL method. So let's start, because I always start too high, so let's start here. We're going to start with this term. So we're going to list it out. 2x squared, 4x, negative 6. Always take your negatives with you so you don't forget them. And then we're going to make this haphazard table because I don't know how to make straight lines freehand. And then we're going to multiply it by this term. So 6x squared, 3x, and 9. And that's a positive 9, so we just write 9. Okay, so multiplying these together, now all you got to do is fill in all the boxes. So you can start here, 6x squared times this, right? So when you multiply the terms, you multiply the numbers together, you add exponents of x, right? So 6 times 2 is 12. And this is the same term of x. X squared makes x to the 4th. Add exponents, right? So that term is done. Now you can go down if you want, or you can go over. Over always makes more sense to me. So we'll go 6x squared times 4x. 6 times 4 is 24. X squared times x is x to the 2 plus 1, right? X to the 3rd. 6x times negative 6 is negative 36 x squared. There's no x over here, so there's nothing to add to it. Or you can make that like x to the 0, right? But who really does that? Nobody. All right, so we're done with the first line, right? Now we got the second line. So 3x times 2x squared is 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. X times x squared is x to the 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3x times 4x, 3 times 4, move. 3 times 4 is 12. Oh, come on. Reese, come get your cat. 12 x squared. And we'll wait for them to move. Oh my. Don't drag him by his neck. And there it goes. It's gone. It's just totally gone. But we're going to continue. And hopefully you get a laugh out of that. Alright, so 3x times negative 6 is negative 18x. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so now last term, 9 times 2x squared is 18x squared. There's no more exponents to add anymore, which is great. 9 times 4 is, what the heck is 9 times 4? 36. 36. Oh my goodness gracious. This video is a hot mess. 36x. And then 9 times negative 6 is negative whatever 9 times 6 is. What the heck is 9 times 6? 56?
Yeah.
54?
No.
54.
No, it's
54. Check it. I don't forgot what 9 times 6 is.
I think it's 63.
No, that's 9 times 7.
Oh.
Why don't you know this? You're in 5th grade. This is your math. 54. 54. Because if you add 9 to 54, you should get 63, right? I know 9 times 7 is 63. Let me check. I did this on my darn paper. Yes, this is right. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it is 54.
Oh, thank you. Miss Come Lately. All right, so now you're not done. You got to add like terms. So start always with the biggest exponent and mark it off your list. So, I'm gonna put it down here. So we're gonna go, our answer is 12x to the 4th. Cross that out. Alright, so now let's combine like terms, other like terms, thirds. We did a 4, go down to thirds. So you got 24 plus 6. 24 plus 6 is 30. I believe. We're adding by 6's. Yes. X to the 3rd. Cross those out. They're out of your life. Now you do the x squareds. So we got negative 36 plus 12 plus 18. Did I have that before? Oh, I never added it on my paper, so there it is. What is 18 plus 12? This is 2, 1, 30? 30? That's 20, 30. Yeah. So these two are 30x squared minus 36x squared. So negative 6x squared. They can go now. Negative 18 plus 36. Oh my gosh, I cannot add and subtract to save my life. I know that n is negative 54. Alright, so let's do this. We know it's positive. The bigger number is positive. 36 minus 18. 18 is a multiple of 36, right? 18 times 2 is 36. So if 18 times 2 is 36, then it's 18 left. 18x. You like how I figured that out? Yeah, that's great. Alright, so here's your number 1. We haphazardly got there. Hopefully you can read it. This is an 18. I don't know if I can make that any better. But that one's done. Rewind it as much as you need to. Anything with these terms you can do in this type of tabular method and repeat it over and over again. Alright. So that's the first hot mess video, and I'll send the other ones in a little bit.